Welcome to the tutorial on Illustrator, and today we're going to be talking about the type tool. We click T and we get the type tool active. Something I have not talked about in previous tutorials, I'm going to go over real quick right now. If I use anything, if I do anything in Illustrator and I want to back up, like many programs, you can hit Command or Control on the PC. Command Z will undo what I just did. You can also come up to the Edit and hit Undo or Redo. So I'm undoing my clear or redoing my type right now on that Edit menu. So if I click over here on the type tool, or if I click T on my keyboard, I will get the text tool. There are two modes that you can enter text into your document, and that's either by clicking and dragging a box and creating a text area, or by single clicking, and that just brings up a cursor, and now I can type whatever I want to, and it'll show up on there. If I hit enter, it'll give me a new line, just like I expect it to. If I either select another tool, or if I hit the far, well, let's just select another tool. That'll finalize that the type tool, and now I have that text in a box. I still have my box over here that I didn't put anything in, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. If you're entering text into an area and you know you want to fill up this whole area, then it's nice to click and drag that area and then be able to enter text into there. I'm going to go ahead and just copy that, Command C and then Command V a few times to put my text, put some text in there. And now I have some text over here in a box, as well as my text over here. Now if I click and drag this version, it skews it, but if I come over here and click and drag, all it does is resize my box. Whenever you have this plus sign next to it, that means there's some text that's inside this box that's not being shown because the box is too small. So if I come bigger, you'll see that red plus disappears that was over here. So so this obviously is bad. You don't want to do you don't want to stretch and skew your type like that unless you're doing it on purpose, and then you can break the rules if they're on purpose. Okay, so if I select this this box, I see up here at the top that I have a bunch of options I can choose from. I can change the color of my text. Currently I have no stroke on that text, but I could add a stroke if I wanted to. I could add a black stroke. I could make that stroke big, as well as making it small. I could manually enter 0.25 in here, and then I have an even smaller stroke. I could have it uniform. I could have a different shape stroke. I could also change the opacity of the text, which is the opacity is the amount of fill or visibility. Another way to look at it is transparency. Zero transparency is 100% opacity, and 0% opacity is 100% transparency. Hope that makes sense. I can change what type I'm using by selecting it here, selecting the font. I can select whether it's regular or bold if I have a typeface that allows that. I can select the size of my text. So if I go to 18, you'll see I have my red plus sign shows up again because I have text that's not being seen because it's too big. I can also left justify it, right justify it, or center it. I think that's about all I'm going to talk about the text tool for now. This will get you as far as you need to for now, and we'll play with text a little bit later in another tutorial.